Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ketenaga Urban Affairs uba Sniawbhalang Dhar habakran bakila pathai kubor haka arterik unaitung haka office trikam jong uloang bakapor baga Jingpyntreikam ba kalanang penjalan halor ke Jingpynkynriah yakinong di madan hakandai lat shillong bat menta kandai hashwa ka arpu arterik unaitung usembut menteri rangba ka jilla Meghalaya bat menteri Ketenaga Urban Affairs uba Sniawbhalang Dhar ula pensyai ba kani ka Jingpyntreikam da ka sorkar kamdei ka Jingpynkynriah Bein Hynrei kadei ka Jingpyntreikam an uloong ba ka sorkar ka kermen scam bakinong di madan Jingpyntreikam adalah di ha ka jaka di balabo kerpang haswa ketika tarik uba Dhar ula penpau ba ka jingskau scam bakinong di kinya trei ringkat bat ka sorkar ban penlat ya ka jaka ya linti hak hendai lat Hynrei ula kenturu bala dadan ki bak henben ya kani ka thong ka an kan treikam kat kum ka jingdon jongka kani ka Jingpyntreikam kadei ban pen imbyang ya ki jaka ya pat ba bat ban pen byang ya ka jingsuk ha ka sor shalong uba Dhar ula ong ba ka sorkar kala shim shibun kisin jam ban kershan kinong di madan da ka ba ajing kershan ding ba ki skim bat da ka ba bu iki ha ki jaka ki pabyang ban petru ya ka hok jangi pat ba ki bayat ha ki surok ulo ong ru ba ka thong kan long ban penne ya ka jing shngan ba ka jing khod ha ki jaka pat ba.
Don't worry, government will do its own job. We are just doing the enforcement drive only to place and put our people in the right direction. Because we are trying our best from the government, which is in line with the code order. And you know very well that we are aware, all of us are one that our city should be neat and clean. Yes, we have to respect the pedestrian footpath for the other people who move along the road, and we want to clean and keep the city in the right direction also. And we as government, we are trying to do in such a manner that we are not throwing our people. We are giving a schemes and put them into the good places. You know where the Moda, which is very right place for the commercial. Yes, previously they request us don't put us into the where there is no commercial purpose, so we accept it and we do as per the request, and we are doing our own job. I think we will move ahead. I don't think so. They will be against it. Slowly they will be in line with us. That is my request also at the same time.
So is it eviction or right now?
No, not eviction. It's enforced drive only. You see, you know very well.
So they claim that the decision to decide on the vacation was done without their knowledge or the town.
Don't worry, we have already had meeting from time to time along with them, along with the decision only, and that's why we are doing. It's a collective decision.
You made a delegation. No. Some of course. What are the points we discussed with you?
No, nothing. We just came and request me. Sir, please give us good space, and we are doing exactly what they request me.
Sir, July 22nd is the deadline. So, in any case, if the hawkers are not willing to move, what action will the state government take in that case? In case the hawkers fails to meet this July 22nd deadline?
Don't worry, I'm having a full confidence they will be cooperating with the government, and if not, the law will take them post. Simple like that.
What type of action?
No,
legal action?
Action is action. Because we are following the high court. Don't worry, let us move in this fast phase. After we'll go for the next phase.
So we have also seen that many hawkers, in fact, don't have the valid documents. That's why they have not received the certificates. So in any case, those hawkers who don't have COV, certificate of vending, will they allowed somehow, or will they have to close their shop?
Obviously, we will see when time comes. Let us move for this fast phase as per the, you know very well, all the 760 of them. And yes, process will continue. So we will see, we'll work accordingly. Make sure all hawker will be placed in the right position one day. Yes, maybe one time, one shot is not so easy for us, but we are trying to see and help our hawker in such a manner that maybe not to the mark as they want, but we are trying to do the best from the government side.
How serious government is about the deadline of July 22nd?
You will see how serious. No.
Is the government planning to extend the deadline or going to fix?
That time will come. We'll do at the right place, at the right time, at the appropriate time. We have to follow
So the standoff between the hawkers and the state government over the area around the police bazaar has been going on for several years, and the government has been saying like we need to make this a pedestrian zone and get rid of the hawkers and all. How confident is the government this time that they will be able to achieve?
We are fully confident because we are doing for the right thing for you people of the state as a whole. I want my cities to be clean, neat and clean, and we should be living discipline, and that's why we are not throwing them out. We are working nicely in such a manner to put them in the right